In this video, I'm going to go over links. Links is the reason why the web blew up the way it did. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hyper is just another way of saying kind of like jump. Text are the words that you type. Markup is the way you write up the language. It's different. And then language is just language. So we're talking about words that allow you to jump, right? The idea of when you click on a link, most of you know, like, oh, click on that link. It jumps you to another page. Well, that was a big thing when HTML on the web started, the ability to jump from one document to another document. Imagine that was impossible before and somebody came along and introduced it for the first time. That was like a magical event. So what you're about to learn right now, links, was the key piece that made web pages so popular and useful. They allowed multiple pages and documents to be connected to each other very easily, the click of a mouse. We're going to go ahead and create our link here. We're just going to make a link to the school website. There's the link element. Let's go ahead and close the link element. It's actually called anchor. So the anchor element will allow us to jump somewhere. This anchor element needs something for you to click on. So we'll say something like click me please. Right? And we have click me please down here, but if I click on it, nothing happens. Why not? Well, we haven't taught the anchor element where it should go when it's clicked on. So we need to provide that. This is gonna be attribute and then value. So what, usually it's in that order, right? What's the attribute that we want to control? Well, it's the href or the hyperlink reference. So the href is the attribute. That's what you need to remember. The anchor has an href attribute. Attribute's like the property, the feature. It's like if this was you, this is eye color or hair color. What's your hair color? Maybe brown, blonde, black, I don't know. So in our case, href. Where do we want to go for the link? If href is what we're specifying, href is, the equal sign is what? It's going to be the school website in our case. www.lakeviewhs.com. Alright, make sure that's double quote at the end, double quote at the beginning. Now down here, where click me appeared before in black, now it actually appears underlined, and you can actually click on it. And when you click on it, the web page will open. Eventually, later on, you will not only be creating links to other pages that are other websites, but you will be making up to 3 web pages of your own web pages. And you're going to have to link one web page to another web page, right? So that you can jump between your 3 web pages. So keep that in mind. You'll eventually have to learn how to write the address to your own web pages here so that you can link all of your 3 web pages together.